Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells from the surface of your skin, which can help prevent clogged pores. Regular exfoliation can also stimulate the production of collagen, which can promote firmer, smoother, more radiant skin. In this video, I'm gonna share with you this magic scrub for face. So easy and simple, and you can find all the ingredients at home. Well, let's get started. All we need is 1 teaspoon of oatmeal, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, Mix all the ingredients together and apply it over your face and neck. Massage in circular motion for about 3 minutes with your fingers and leave it for about 10 minutes. Rinse it with warm water and moisturize your skin with your moisturizer. Try it once or twice a week, you will get an amazing result. This scrub helps get rid of dead skin cells and get smooth and brightening skin. Just try it and the result just wow! For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.